All right, so this should be the last video of this theme and of this course, actually. We just want to do the contact section here, the contact collapse. So let's go to VS Code, and let's go right below the last area we did, which was the work, and we want to do the contact. Okay, so we're going to have a div with the ID of contact, and we want to add collapse. So inside here, we want our header, so I'll just copy from this here, this card, and we'll paste that in. We want to change the color to danger because the box that we click with the icon is red. We want this to match, and we're just going to go right here and say get in touch, and we'll just leave the lead paragraph here. And then underneath that card, we'll create a new one. So card, we'll also put the card body here. And let's also do py5, just like the rest of them. And we'll have an h3. Actually, you know what? The get in touch, I actually wanted to put down here. Right here, I'm just going to put contact. So right here, I'll put the h3. Okay, then we'll do paragraph, and we'll do lorem 15. So underneath that, we're going to have a form. So let's add a form, and in this form, we're going to have input groups because I want little icons next to the input to kind of just make it look a little better. So let's do an input group, and then let's make this a large input group. So we'll make it a little thicker, so we can add input group dash LG. And in this group, we want to prepend an icon. So we're going to do input, class of input dash group dash prepend. And inside here, we want a span with the class of input group text. I'm also going to make it red. So we're going to do bg dash danger. And we want the text to be white. So text white. Okay, and then this will be where the icon goes. So we'll use Font Awesome, and we'll put in FAS, and then the icon itself will be FA-user. Now, let's see, under the prepend div, still within the input group is where we want to put the actual input, which is going to have a class of form control. And I want the inputs to have a dark background. So I'm going to do bg dash dark, and I'm going to do text dash white. And let's just put a placeholder since we're not using labels. So we'll say placeholder equals name. And just to see what that looks like so far, let's click contact, and there we go. So that looks pretty cool. Now we want a couple other fields. So let's actually copy the entire input group. Actually, you know what? I meant to put this in a form group as well, just to add the extra spacing. So let's do form dash group, and let's just take this ending div and put it at the end of the input group, which ends here. All right, and then what we'll do is copy the form group and paste that in two more times. The second one's going to be the email, so we're going to change the icon to envelope, and we're going to change the placeholder to email. We can change the type as well. And then this last one here is going to be the text area. It's going to be the message. So let's change the icon to, we'll just do pencil dash alt, do a pencil icon. And then we want to change this input text to a text area. Okay, same classes and stuff. Make sure you close the text area. So we want the ending tag. And then let's go under the form group, this last one, and let's add our submit. So I'm just going to put an input with the type of submit. And let's do submit for the value, and then we'll have a class of btn. Let's make it red, so we'll do btn danger, and let's make it a block level, and let's also make it large, btn lg. And that should do it. So let's save. Let's go back and contact, and there we go. So I think that looks pretty good. The nice red with the white icons, the black text here, the black background, and that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this course. Hopefully you enjoyed building these projects and using the sandbox to learn about all the classes and what they do and so on. And that's it. So thanks for taking this course, and thank you for finishing it. I know that it's been kind of a long ride. And hopefully you can take what you've learned and you can build your own projects from this, whether you're building websites or whether you're building applications and you needed to learn how to create the UI for your applications, if you're a server-side programmer or whatever. Hopefully this can help you through that. All right, so thanks again, and hopefully I will see you in the next course.